much fun. So we're going to call out some items. When your item's called out, come on up to the stage, claim your item, but you're going to have to do some work to get it back. Okay?
Oh,
nice, lovely white bag. Alright. Nope. Okay.
Oh no.
Alright, I just found. Oh, no stealing's allowed. Alright, but I will need. Okay. Alright. Lip gloss.
Nicholas Seitz from Georgia Tech. Your name tag is here.
Oh.
Nicholas Seitz.
And the sombrero. And
Alright.
an MC member lost their hoodie.
Right, it should have a name on it.
Oh, let me see. It's Tiffany President.
Alright, so who knows what exploding sheep is? Okay.
Go on, Tiffany!
Alright, so
Leadership!
we're actually.
Leadership!
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, you're in for a little treat. Jeff actually was wondering if you could do a demonstration for us. Please? Okay. So, this is exploding sheep. Basically, I'm going to point at all of you, and whenever my hand comes across you, you're going to do this. No. No. Do you want Colin to help you?
I feel Colin should help.
I feel like Colin needs to help.
Yeah!
Alright guys, let's just show them how it's done, alright? Alright. Come over here. Alright, ready?
Come on, Jeff. There we go.
There we go. Alright, okay.
Can you make me more?
No, we get the concept. Alright, so everybody on your knees, please. Alright.
Get them out.
I'm too old for this. Alright. Alright, if they need to do it again, can you guys like clap for me so I know to go back to them? These need to like leave the podium, right, or the stage. Alright. Ready?
I think we have an announcement about a...
Announcement